Fart. Fart. The dog let out a loud fart. Sneeze. Sneeze. She sneezed into her elbow to avoid spreading germs. Sniff. Sniff. He sniffed the flowers to enjoy their fragrance. Scream. Scream. The kids screamed with excitement on the roller coaster. Giggle. Giggle. The baby's giggle was contagious, making everyone smile. Blow. Blow. She blew out the candles on her birthday cake. Belch. Belch. He let out a loud belch after drinking soda. Clap. Clap. The audience erupted in applause, clapping enthusiastically. Gargle. Gargle. He gargled with salt water to soothe his sore throat. Hiccup. Hiccup. The sudden hiccup surprised her during the conversation. Whisper. Whisper. She leaned in to whisper a secret into his ear. Snore. Snore. The man's loud snore echoed through the room as he slept. Whistle. Whistle. The coach whistled to signal the start of the game. Tap feet. Tap feet. She couldn't help but tap her feet to the catchy tune.